Hello everyone and welcome back to the Millionaire House. Today I am inviting you back into our kitchen as I share a couple simple recipes you'll live to cook, sponsored by HelloFresh. With HelloFresh you can have very tasty meals delivered right to your front door depending on your dietary preferences and your household size. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I am a very busy mom who is always on the go. But with HelloFresh, meal planning is a breeze because they deliver our box of food right to our front door on the day of our choosing. So many of you have joined us in our kitchen live on Instagram on Sundays as we meal prep for the first few days of the week, and HelloFresh gives us another option for those off days. You can select from a variety of weekly recipes. Depending on your family size and dietary needs, they come very neatly packaged in individual bags with everything you'll need, and all the meats are down in the bottom of the package on top of an ice pack. And your meals also come with step-by-step instructions on how to prepare everything with every single ingredient that you'll need right inside the bag. It takes all of the guesswork out of making a quick, easy, and delicious meal. So today I'm going to share Little Ears pasta with you. It's one of our family favorites. The kids love it, and it's very easy to make. First, you're going to start by bringing your water to a boil. Some people like to add salt, but I actually do about half water and half chicken stock when I'm planning on boiling my pasta. Once your water comes to a boil, add your orecchiette. And you'll want to cook it al dente, so usually that's between 9 and 12 minutes. On my stove, it only takes about 9. Once you're ready to drain your pasta, you'll want to remember to save about 1/4 cup of the pasta water to use later on in this recipe. And next you're going to cook your broccoli. I drizzle a little olive oil into a pan and add the broccoli and about 2 tablespoons of water. And I cover it and let it steam for about 3 minutes. Once you're done with your broccoli, you will set it to the side and you're going to cook your sausage next over medium-high heat and break the meat up into little pieces. Once the sausage is cooked for about 4 or 5 minutes, you want to add a pinch of the chili flakes that are included in your bag. Just season to taste. I don't add too much because the kids are going to eat it. Once your sausage is cooked, you're going to add your Little Ears pasta, the broccoli that you set aside, and the pesto and the pasta cooking water that you set aside. And then you'll also add about half of the Parmesan cheese that's included in the package, and salt and pepper to taste. Prep time is about 5 minutes and total cooking time is about 25 minutes. And just like that, we've got one meal down and one to go. And next on the menu is the balsamic fig chicken, one of my husband's personal favorites, and it's really delicious and easy to make. You'll want to start by washing and drying all of your produce inside the bag and then cutting your sweet potatoes into 1/2-inch cubes. Season them with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper, and put them in the oven to roast on 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Next, you'll want to cook your chicken by drizzling a little olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. And we season our chicken with salt and pepper. And we cook it on both sides for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. We also minced some shallots and chopped up some rosemary leaves. You'll want to use about 1 teaspoon of the rosemary that's provided in the package. And set your chicken to the side once it's done, and then you're going to add a little more olive oil to your pan. Add the shallots, the chopped rosemary, and you're going to cook it for just a couple minutes until it starts to thicken up. Next, you'll stir in the vinegar and fig jam that's also provided in the package and let that cook until it gets a little syrupy. And then finally, you'll add the stock concentrate and about 1/4 cup of water. Cook it for about 3 more minutes and it'll be ready to go. You can toss the provided salad with a little lemon juice and olive oil or make your own like we did. And for up to 50% off of your first week of HelloFresh, visit HelloFresh.com and enter the code Millionaire. I hope you've been inspired with some creative new recipe ideas. Until next time, love and peace.